Everyone, I've got the rear end of this Yerf dog go-kart done, and it's ready to be put on with the engine. But I just wanted to let you see just how disgusting this go-kart really is. I mean, it's been sitting in the weeds. The tires are bald on it. Actually, what I'm trying to do to cut cost is to try to reuse, like refurbish everything that I can without having to spend a lot of money, say for like a budget build. But luckily, in this deal that I bought these two, as you can see, the bottom A-arm is severely bent, along with this piece here. But luckily, I've got two of them. So let me go out here. By the way, this is my little shop. It ain't much, but I mean, it works. And here's the other one, which y'all, sorry about the sound, as y'all probably seen earlier. They put a body kit on this one, but it's got some really nice tires on the back. As you can see, they put a lot of diamond plate into it, and this is the roll cage that goes on the one in the garage. But I'm going to rob the A-arm off of this one and put on the other one, so I can have a complete deal here. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty complete. The motor was a little Tecumseh, which is now trash. But I did wind up getting me, I went to Harbor Freight. I didn't have a coupon to get the $99 deal. So I went up spending $114. But I wound up, let me go over here in the side garage. I wound up getting me a Hemi. As most of you know, you got to go by that number right there, 60363. I got it for 114 bucks. But, and then the weirdest thing about it is that I just got the flyer in today. And they had it marked down for 99 bucks. So if I'd waited a week, I could have went and got a $99 engine. But you know, that's the way Harbor Freight works. But I'm going to try to have this thing done, and who knows? I mean, everything I build and buy, you know, it's for sale. So it will be ready probably before Christmas. I'm going to paint it black and yellow. I went and picked up the primer so I can strip the frame down, get all the parts off, and then we can go and make it look pretty. But yeah, it'll be for sale. Alright, well, see you guys later.